Hey everyone, I'm Jerry James Stone, and if you're a pesto lover and a Mexican food lover, then you're in the right video. Yep, the right video. I'm going to show you how to make a delicious pesto using cilantro. And this is just a nice play on regular pesto with a little bit of a different flair, a little bit of Mexican flair, just to mix things up a bit. I think you're really going to like it. Okay, so to make this cilantro pesto, first we're going to start off with some pine nuts and some fresh garlic. Then I'm going to add in my avocado oil. I like to chop up the more robust items first, especially in a pesto. So I'm just going to go ahead and chop these. I add in some salt, and now the fresh cilantro. And there we go. We have our fresh pesto. And there you have delicious cilantro pesto. Okay, tell me, that looked delicious, right? It's perfect for pasta. You can use it as a spread on sandwiches. You can just spread it all over yourself, whatever you want to do. It's super delicious. Try it. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up, have a comment. Want to ask me a question, drop a question down below. And if you haven't yet, please subscribe. I'll see you guys next time.